Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to upload and share documents in HubSpot. Let's dive right in. First, open your web browser and navigate to hubspot.com. Once you're on the page, log in using your HubSpot credentials. This will take you to your main dashboard where you can access all of HubSpot's features, including the document management tools we'll be using today. After you've logged in successfully, direct your attention to the left side of your screen where you'll see the main navigation menu. Look for the option labeled Sales and click on it. This will expand a submenu with various sales-related features. From this submenu, click on Documents. This is where all your uploaded files are stored and managed, making it easy to organize and share important content with your contacts and team members. Now that you're in the Documents section, look toward the top right corner of your screen. You'll see a button that says Upload Document. Go ahead and click on this button to begin the upload process. This will open a new panel on the right side of your screen, presenting you with several options for where you want to upload your document from. In this panel, you'll notice multiple source options, including your computer, existing file in HubSpot, Dropbox, Google Drive, or Box. These options give you flexibility depending on where your documents are currently stored. For this example, we're going to click on your computer, which allows you to upload files directly from your device's storage. After clicking your computer, a file browser window will appear. Navigate through your folders and select the document you want to upload to HubSpot. Once you've selected it, click Open and the upload will begin. You'll need to wait a few moments while HubSpot processes and uploads your file. The time this takes depends on the file size, so larger documents might take a bit longer. Once the upload completes, your document will appear in your documents library. And that's how you upload a document to HubSpot. Now let's move on to sharing it with others, which is just as straightforward. To share your newly uploaded document, locate it in your documents library and hover your mouse over it. When you do this, you'll see an Actions button appear. Click on this button to reveal a drop-down menu with various options for managing your document. From the drop-down menu that appears, click on Create Link. This option generates a shareable link that you can send to anyone you want to view the document. It's a quick and professional way to distribute files without having to attach them to emails. Once you click Create Link, a new window will pop up, prompting you to input an email address. Enter the recipient's email address in the provided field. Below this, you'll notice two toggle options. The first one says Require email address to view document, and the second says Allow download. You can enable or disable these depending on your preferences. The first option adds an extra layer of security by requiring viewers to confirm their email, while the second option controls whether people can download the file or just view it online. After you've configured these settings to your liking, click the Create Link button at the bottom. HubSpot will generate a unique shareable link for your document that respects the settings you just chose. Now you have two options for sharing. You can click Copy to copy the link to your clipboard, then paste and send it to the person through any messaging platform or email client you prefer. Alternatively, you can click Compose Email, which opens HubSpot's email composer so you can send the link directly from within the platform. And that's it. You've successfully uploaded a document to HubSpot and created a shareable link for it. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.